making slime. As you can see, she has a headband. Well, it's actually a blindfold because we're doing the S'mores Blindfold S'mores Challenge. Alright, we're gonna get really messy over.
So we're gonna be making and eating the s'mores blindfolded. So I'm gonna go first, and she's gonna record me, and then she's gonna go, and I'm gonna record her.
Alright, let's see this. Let's see how this goes. Let's get on to the video.
Okay, so here's the plate right here. I'm gonna put on my blindfold. As you can see, I'm blindfolded.
Alright, and she's gonna start.
I'm gonna turn the plate because I don't know what I'm gonna start with, so I'm just gonna turn it. Okay. So I have to find it here at the crackers. Oh, I have to open that by myself. Wow, thanks a lot. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the back, the end part. I can't open this. I need like scissors or something.
Let's go, Jasmine.
I did it. I can't see anything. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Did I get it?
Yes, you did.
Okay, so I have to cut off like. Okay. There's my cracker. Wait, I don't want a really fat one.
Alright, and we're gonna pop that in the microwave.
So I'm gonna like take this off. So hopefully that didn't fall apart. Okay. So she's gonna put the timer on for me because I don't want to get the time wrong.
Actually, no, you're gonna put it by yourself.
I'm gonna put it for like an hour. Okay, so the one is like the one that's like all the way up here, so. How am I gonna do this? Can you do that for me, please?
No.
Oh my god, I can't
Okay,
do
here.
it. You do the time.
Just press one of these buttons. Okay.
How long was that? What did you do? You put me for like a minute, didn't you? Oh my god.
Look at the time, guys.
My eyes hurt. I'm looking down because my eyes hurt.
Okay. I'm gonna like stop it like whenever. How much the time that you put? Alright, yeah, I'm gonna stop that.
How long was it?
I'm gonna tell you when you take off your blindfold.
Okay. Where is it?
It's still in the microwave.
Oh.
That's just the camera.
I thought you took it down. What the heck? What the heck? There's the plate.
Okay, I'll just close the microwave for you.
Wait, I have to eat it for my. I have to eat it. What the heck is this?
It's rice. Okay, watch out.
It's so hot.
Alright, go ahead and eat it.
Where is it? Oh god. It's hot. What the heck? Tastes like just a cracker. Where's the marshmallow?
Because you only got one piece. You didn't take the whole.
What the heck?
That's the.
Ah! You're so hot. Oh. It's so hot. I'm done. I'm done.
You put it for 4 minutes.
How long did you leave it in for?
For like 20 seconds. My turn. Alright guys, you can see I have my blindfold on and let's just do this. Alright.
You got it all the way on?
Yeah, wait, I need the chocolate. Where's the...
It's up there somewhere. You like just touched it. It's right
Oh,
there.
here it is. Okay. Alright, so let's open this up. Let me just crouch down a bit. So you guys can see that I'm really blindfolded. I think, yeah, this is the back part. And our chocolate here. And then the marshmallow right here. I feel like you're laughing at me.
I'm not.
And then, right there. Okay, I think this is good.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's put this in the microwave. I'm scared.
You've reached the microwave. You've reached it. It's right there.
Oh.
So she's gonna put that in the microwave. Okay.
Oh
put
God,
your
you're
time
so
in.
close to me.
Put your time in. Here, wait. Okay, go.
Right here?
Yeah. No, right there.
Right there?
Yeah, just press it.
I think that was the one, yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna stop it like
whenever.
whenever.
See her time? I'll stop it for you. Look
Okay.
at that timing, guys. Oh my God.
I'm scared.
That was a long time. 6 minutes. Okay, that was like...
I'm scared.
That was 20 seconds. Look at guys. Oh my God.
Oh, my hands weren't even. Okay.
Look at the freaking marshmallow. It's amazing, you guys. It's just great. Let's go. Let's just put it on the counter right here and just eat it.
Just lift that up. Where is it? It's right. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Let's see where my mouth is. Right here.
Okay. Okay, bye everyone.
Alright, well, I'm going to open my eyes now.
And I'm going to tell her how long she put that in for. You put that in for 6 minutes.
Really?
Yup. I stopped it at 5:40.
Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Bye.
We'll do more challenges like this
Later. And I have chocolate on my face. Wow. I do. Okay.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Like and subscribe to my and her channel.